How to buy electronics on Flipkart. Want to buy electronics on Flipkart but not sure how? I'll show you the easiest way to shop for your favorite device online. First, open your Flipkart website. You can use the search bar and type what you want, like smartphone, laptop, headphone, or even TV. You can tap on the electronic. Here you will see many options. Flipkart has it all. Tap as for you want. Too many result. No problem. Use filters to select brand, price range, ratings, or even features like RAM, size, or storage. Then sort by popularity or price to find the best deal quickly. Now click on the product you like. Read the description carefully. Check spaces, warranty, and customer reviews. This helps you make the right choice. Once you are happy, tap Add to Cart if you want to shop more, or Buy Now if you are ready to check out. And after that, enter your delivery address, choose your payment options, and hit Place Order. And that's how simple it is to buy electronic on Flipkart. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with this your tech friends. Happy shopping!